In front of me is a Amazon Echo Dot, and today I'll go over unboxing of this product. Now, might be a little bit late considering this has been out for probably several years already, but oh well. I didn't decide this, so let's get straight to it. I was gonna use a knife, but apparently Amazon decided to include one of these things. Though it's still sticking, so not the best idea, but there we go. So you can easily open it up. Now inside, obviously, as you probably comes to no surprise, we get the Echo Dot. It's a nice little circle. And a wall charger. Now this is the European plug. And it even tells me the wattage on here, so this is a 15 watt charger. And that's honestly all we get in the box apart from just the paperwork. So once this is plugged in, I assume we need to go to some setup, and from there we can start saying Alexa, play Despacito. So fantastic. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.